Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to create logo on Canva. So first of all we will open Canva. So here you can see basic structure and home page of Canva. So you can see here we will type logo. So you can see there are many keywords available in this suggestion: gaming logos, technology logos, fashion logos, animated logos and others. So if I scroll down this, so you can see there are many logos are available. So we selected some logos and changing between them. So finally I will tell you how to create logo on Canva. So first of all we select this one, for example this one. So here you can see this is a structure of logo. So if I want to change this name, so just only I double click and click backspace, and then I can type here Black Studio. So here you can change his name. So if I want to change this one, so you can see I also, and this one. So here you can see easily you can change typography and its color scheme. So if I want to add another something in this, so I only click elements. So here you can see this one, I click on this one and see this one, we will small this one. So you can this and also this one. So left side. So our logo are ready. So easily you can change and create logo on Canva. So if you want to changing some on Canva, easily you can change this format. And if you want to add some elements, so there are many elements are available. So I click on design text projects, and here you can see there are many logos. So if I select this one, for example, so you can see there are many different things are available in this logo. So if I want to change Back Studio on corner side, so this one and also okay, so easily you can change. So it will be delete. So if I want to delete Black Studio, only I click this one and this one. So easily you can change on Canva. So you can create a logo. So I hope now you have an idea how to create logo on Canva. So if I want to change another, click this one. So here you can see a different logos. For example, if I click on this, you can see that this one and this one and also. So if I delete, click on this and delete them. So you can say our logo is ready. So now you have an idea how to create logo on Canva. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.